Today, let's talk about how to use DeepSeek for essays. Whatever type of essay that you're trying to write, you can use DeepSeek to create an outline or generate an entire essay. So if this video sounds helpful to you, make sure you watch it until the end and let's get straight into the video. Now in this video, I'm just going to take a use case so that you can look at how the prompts can work and how you can design it or how you can pre-prompt it yourself to fit your essay needs. So here I've just added in a prompt which will generate an essay about AI in education. So the first thing here you need to do as well, you need to ask in the paragraph that you need and the topic that you want to write an essay about. Along with that, what you'll also need is your main argument. So here I added in the thesis should be about the exact arguments that I need to generate this essay. Along with that, you can also add in a tone, whatever type of tone that you need for this particular essay, as well as your desired conclusion. If you point out these sections, DeepSeek will create an essay that is outlined with all of the things that are needed. And there you go, use a similar prompt like this and you'll have a solid draft to refine it under a minute. I do hope this short tutorial video was helpful to you and you were able to write an essay using DeepSeek. If this guide video was helpful to you, be sure to let us know by giving this video a thumbs up and also make sure to hit that notification bell so you get notified for more future videos.